another video. I know it's been a while since it's been a couple weeks, it's almost been a month since the last time I posted a video for you guys, but your girl's finally back from vacation, took her locks out. This is actually my first wash and go. Not Siri in my business. But yeah, so this is actually my first wash and go since I've taken my locks out. For today's wash and go, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this super fluffy, big, poppin' day 2 wash and go. So if you guys are interested to see how I got these results, then definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. So like I was telling you guys, this is my first wash and go since I took out my locks. So this is what my hair is looking like post protective style. Just wanted to show you guys what it looked like before I washed it. So I shampooed my hair, conditioned it, and now I'm just rinsing out my deep conditioner before I go in and begin styling my hair. So for my first styler, I'm going to be using the Curlsmith Weightless Air Dry Cream. So this is actually my first time using this cream / leave-in conditioner. So the first thing I want to say is that it definitely lives up to the name. It is a very lightweight leave-in conditioner. This is probably the most lightweight leave-in I have in my collection from Curlsmith. It's also really hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid in it. You guys know my go-to leave-in conditioner from Curlsmith is the multitasking conditioner. But a few people have said, or I think it was just one person had commented and said that it was a little heavy for their hair. I think this would be a great alternative if you prefer a lightweight leave-in conditioner. So as you guys can see, I'm just applying the leave-in each section of my hair and then twisting it back up, making sure to add water. My hair was really parched, really dry, y'all. I guess I kind of sort of, not I guess, but I definitely neglected my hair for the 3 weeks or a month that I had that protective style in. So my hair is crying for moisture. So just applying water, twisting up my sections immediately after, and repeating that step for each section of my hair. This leave-in definitely did what it needed to do. The curls are definitely hydrated now. But now on to the start of the show. So we have the Curlsmith Full Body Thickening Lotion. So this is the perfect product for the low density, for the fine strand girlies, or for anybody who's just struggling with volume and just wants to have bigger hair overall, or hair that appears to be more full. So the consistency is extremely lightweight, as you guys saw. Like as I'm applying it in my hair, it almost feels like I'm not putting anything on it. Like that's how easily it absorbs into my hair and how lightweight it is. So as I'm doing this voiceover, I noticed that the bottle actually says invisible hold, and I feel like that's the best way to explain this product. So if you don't want any hold, you can just stop right here and just use that. But most of you guys that are following me probably, yeah, that wouldn't work for you. So you can go ahead and follow up with a styler. So the styler I'm using is the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. So this is actually my first time using this gel as well. My go-to is usually the In Shower Style Fixer, or maybe like the Shine Gel. This has a hold of 7, those have a hold of 10, but since we're going for a voluminous wash and go, this makes the most sense. So I'm just applying this in each section after I apply the full body thickening lotion, making sure to coat those roots, making sure that I'm distributing both products from roots to ends. Y'all already know the deal. So this is what my hair is looking like now that I finished styling my hair. Volume and fluff already goes crazy. So if your hair is fluffy and voluminous, once you finish styling, it's a great indicator that your hair is also going to dry very fluffy and very voluminous. So I ended up sitting under the dryer for just about 10 minutes or so. My hair was just too big to fit into the dryer, that the dryer was kind of leaving like an indentation, like a line on my hair. So after that, I decided to just air dry. And then these are my results after 24 hours. All right, y'all, so it's been a full 24 hours. This is completely unmanipulated. I haven't stretched my hair, haven't picked, fluffed, anything like that. All I did was went to the gym this morning, which is part of my usual routine. And yeah, I just feel like my hair looks really full. I mean, naturally, it's no secret, my hair is naturally very dense and very full already. I just feel like right now it definitely looks more voluminous and more full than it normally would on day 1 hair. Like day 1 hair, I feel like my day 1 hair is usually a lot smaller. I don't know why I keep saying my day 1 hair, but I mean my day 2 hair, y'all. My unstretched day 2 hair, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my hair. I don't need to do too much stretching. I just want to get the shape right because it's a little, y'all know I have different curl patterns all over. So my hair looks a little, not uneven, but you know, I just want to shape it to perfection and then like, you know, give me a little elongation in some sections. But I just wanted to show you guys my results before I did any of that. So y'all, so I know I initially said that I was gonna do like a little stretching just to make the shape a little more whatever. I definitely went a little crazy with the stretching, but I'm not mad at all. My hair looks so freaking big. I'm obsessed with how big. I just love big hair. I love definition. I love big hair, and I have a little bit of both. So I'm not even mad, right? The curls are definitely still there. The coils are still coiling, but the volume goes crazy. My hair looks huge. Wow. Like who I was 10 minutes ago is not who I am. Well, it took about, like, I would say about 15 minutes. Y'all know my stretching routine already. If you don't, I have a video on my channel of how I stretch my wash and goes. But like, wow. So shout out to Curlsmiths for this full body thickening lotion. So I never really thought, like, my hair is naturally very dense, very thick. I didn't think it could get any thicker than, you know what I'm saying, it usually looks, but I can definitely say my hair just feels and looks more full and just bigger all around. I was initially thinking this would be targeted more towards people with just fine strands and people that don't really have dense hair. But if you do have dense hair and you want it to look even more dense and you want it to look even more full, right, it's definitely worth giving a shot. But let me know what you guys think of my results in the comments. Are you guys feeling the big hair as much as I am? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I'll see you on my next one.